Brazil, South America's textile and clothing powerhouse. Hola a todos. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring Brazil, a country often recognized as the largest textile and clothing manufacturer in South America. We'll cover where production happens, what types of clothing are made, how the industry operates, and what you should know if you're interested in sourcing or studying fashion manufacturing in Brazil. Brazil's position in South America's fashion industry. Brazil has one of the most developed and diversified textile and apparel industries in the entire Southern Hemisphere. What sets Brazil apart from many neighboring countries is its complete domestic supply chain, from fiber and yarn production to fabric weaving, dyeing, finishing, and final garment manufacturing. Unlike countries that rely heavily on imported fabrics, Brazil produces much of its own cotton, knit fabrics, denim, and synthetic blends. This vertical integration allows manufacturers to move faster, control quality more closely, and serve both domestic and export markets efficiently. Because of this scale, infrastructure, and industrial depth, Brazil is frequently regarded as the largest clothing and textile producer in South America. Major manufacturing hubs and cities. Brazil's fashion manufacturing industry is spread across multiple regional clusters, each with its own strengths. Santa Catarina, southern Brazil. Cities like Brusque, Blumenau, and Gaspar form one of the most important textile regions in the country. This area is known for knitwear, children's clothing, underwear, and large-scale garment production. Many factories here are highly automated and supply national retail chains as well as export buyers. São Paulo State, Southeast Brazil. The Americana, Campinas, and São Paulo metropolitan region is historically one of Brazil's strongest textile zones. Americana is particularly known for woven fabrics, synthetic textiles, and industrial textile innovation. São Paulo also functions as the country's business and fashion capital, hosting showrooms, brand headquarters, and design studios. Paraná State, Cianorte. Often referred to as the capital of clothing, Cianorte is a specialized apparel cluster known for ready-to-wear fashion, denim, and private label manufacturing. The city grew from a local garment tradition into a nationally recognized production hub. Northeast Brazil, Pernambuco, and Ceará. States like Pernambuco and Ceará, including cities such as Fortaleza, play a key role in denim, jeanswear, and beachwear production. The region benefits from competitive labor costs and has developed strong expertise in large-volume garment manufacturing. Types of clothing made in Brazil. Brazil's garment sector covers nearly every major apparel category: swimwear and beachwear. Brazil is globally recognized for its swimwear. Manufacturers produce bikinis, one-piece swimsuits, and resort wear using advanced stretch fabrics and bold designs. Many factories serve both Brazilian brands and international labels. Lingerie and intimate. Apparel. Brazil has a strong domestic lingerie market, supported by manufacturers specializing in bras, underwear, shapewear, and sleepwear. These factories often offer private label services and small to mid-production runs. Denim and jeanswear. Brazil produces significant volumes of denim garments, including jeans, jackets, and skirts. Many facilities offer washing, distressing, and finishing services in-house, which is valuable for brands seeking full package production. Children's wear and knitwear. Children's clothing is a major segment, especially in Santa Catarina. Brazil also produces a wide range of knit garments such as t-shirts, polos, and casual wear. Sportswear and basics. Brazil manufactures athletic wear, uniforms, and everyday basics, often using locally produced performance fabrics. How the Brazilian manufacturing system works. Brazilian manufacturers typically fall into three categories. 1. Full package manufacturers, handling fabric sourcing, pattern making, grading, cutting, sewing, and finishing. 2. Cut, make, trim factories, working with fabrics supplied by the buyer. 3. Private label producers, offering ready designs that can be branded for retailers. Minimum order quantities vary widely. Smaller factories may accept low MOQs for domestic brands, while export-focused factories often require higher volumes. How to find manufacturers in Brazil. Buyers typically locate Brazilian manufacturers through national textile and export organizations, online B2B supplier platforms, fashion trade fairs and sourcing events, local sourcing agents and consultants, direct outreach via company websites and LinkedIn. Visiting production clusters in person is common and encouraged, as many manufacturers value long-term relationships, trade agreements, and export access. Brazil is a founding member of MERCOSUR, which includes Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay. This trade bloc reduces tariffs within member countries and negotiates agreements with external markets. Brazil also has trade arrangements that impact exports to regions such as Latin America, parts of the Middle East, select African and Asian markets. For international buyers, understanding rules of origin, import duties, and customs requirements is essential when sourcing from Brazil. Pricing, lead times, and production realities. Brazil is generally more expensive than Asian manufacturing hubs, but often competitive with nearshore options. The trade-off includes better quality control, faster regional shipping, ethical labor standards, smaller batch flexibility. Lead times typically range from 30 to 90 days, depending on fabric availability and order size. Common mistakes to avoid when sourcing in Brazil. Assuming all factories export, many serve domestic markets only. Underestimating language barriers. Portuguese is essential. Ignoring tax and customs complexity. Skipping factory verification and sample testing. Working with a local consultant or bilingual agent can significantly reduce risk. Educational wrap-up. Brazil's textile and apparel industry stands out in South America because of its scale, diversity, and industrial depth. From swimwear and lingerie to denim and children's fashion, the country offers broad manufacturing capabilities, supported by strong regional clusters and trade infrastructure. For designers, brands, and students of global fashion manufacturing, Brazil represents a powerful example of how a country can build a self-sustaining, vertically integrated apparel industry while remaining globally relevant. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe, and notification button to see more videos.